Hey, my name is Franz, Leising, and I'm from Tampa, Florida. I decided to attend Drone Command Live to further my business in the drone space. My biggest takeaway are the hot buttons and how on the market and how things work on the marketing side. These techniques allow me to grow my business and further my education and so forth. I really like that the virtual event and Damon and Diego made the event very exciting, interactive. PowerPoints and such, trying to reach that or gain my points and so on to motivate myself. I really enjoyed that. If I knew any individuals that were on the fence to attend Drone Command Live, I would probably tell them, do it, sign up. It's worth the money all the way. You're going to have a great time. Um, and my most valuable lessons that I learned in the 3 days are hot buttons again. That's something I didn't actually realize until Diego had talked about it. So it was a huge takeaway from my side. Uh, on another note, Damon and Diego are great speakers, and they're super exciting. They know how to get the crowd going every day on the event, and which is a great time. I would totally recommend it for anybody.